Before you begin, remove the access panel, front bezel, rotate the drive cage out, graphics and expansion cards if installed, fan duct, serial port module, heatsink, power supply, solenoid lock if installed, memory, wireless LAN module, M.2 solid-state drive, and DisplayPort module. Removal. Disconnect all cables connected to the motherboard, noting their place for reinstallation. Remove the 8 Torx T15 screws that secure the motherboard to the chassis. Tilt the front edge of the motherboard up and slide the board towards the front of the unit. Lift and remove the motherboard out from the chassis. Replacement. At an angle, lower the system board into the chassis. Slide the system board back and align the rear I/O panel with the cutouts in the chassis. Lower the system board into place, ensuring the screw holes are aligned. Replace the 8 Torx T15 screws to secure the motherboard to the chassis. Reconnect all cables to the motherboard.